What's up, guys? Sharp One EDC. Today we're going to be talking about the Magpul Rigger. Now, before we get into this, check it out. It comes in one of Magpul's blow-molded injection polymer cases. Same material they make their P-Mags, all their other hardware with. Pretty neat little knife case. Now check this bad boy out. Full stonewash finish all the way around. Kind of hidden hardware on the clip there. And you see on this side, we got this cool little feature called the SLF. Now that's the secondary lock feature. This locks the frame lock into place. Essentially makes it a fixed blade. Really easy to use with or without gloves. Blade steel is CPM S35 VN steel. Great everyday carry blade steel. Holds up nice and long to a lot of hard use. You don't have to sharpen it all the time compared to some of those other production steels out there. Wharncliffe tip, one of my favorites, is you can use it for a lot of piercing but still get small precise detail work done with it. I did say it's a full titanium handle, makes it nice and light and strong. In my opinion, this is one of those knives that it's perfect. Fits great in your hand, fits great in your pocket. It's an amazing choice of an everyday carry blade. It would definitely be considered in the top one. If I can only have one knife, this would be in the running. Now we have an open length of 7.6 inches, a closed length of 4.5 inches, and the blade length is 3.4 inches. Excellent choice once again for the EDC. It isn't too heavy or bulky. We only got, let's see, I believe it was 4 ounces on the scale. Yeah, 4 ounces. Once again, I think Magpul's done an excellent job on this knife. I mean, this piece really is top-notch. It would compete against any other ZT, Spyderco, Benchmade, Hogue, Microtech, you name it, of a hard-use production knife company. This knife is going to compete right up against them. It won't fail you. Now, the only category that I'd say it might not prevail... Whoops. Let's fix that there. The only category it might not prevail in is price and availability. As again, this is a limited production batch of only 200 pieces in this configuration. Because if it's the full titanium, it affects the price. This one, MSRP is for about $425, but it is fetching much higher prices on eBay. And to be honest, after handling this piece, it's well worth the prices it's fetching. I was pleasantly surprised to see this come out with the Magpul name on it. And I am excited to see the other pieces they have, as I know they do have a couple versions with micarta handles, an aluminum version, and whatnot. Well, guys, this has been my first video. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comments below. Drop a like. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see some more. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And stay sharp. Thanks again, guys.